gonna open it up. I'm so excited. You guys, this is the iconic music video. What you want the most stands behind that door. Just believe and your magic shop will come true.
Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with a new video. It is an unboxing. I got this in the mail last week. It is the BTS Magic Shop DVD set, the 5th Master Edition. And so I ordered this from WeVerse shop. If you guys haven't heard, Big Hit Shop is closed. Now WeVerse has its own US shop, so things come a lot faster. So this came in a week. But if you guys haven't seen what's in here, you are going to love it. There's so many cute things. There's a real photo book. There's the DVD set. There's a photo card. So keep watching if you're interested.
All right, so it just came in a box and I, of course, got rid of that just with current precautions. Just gonna open it up. I'm so excited. I don't know how to open this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So pretty. This is really just like a really special gift and it's magnetic. So the first thing I got is this green book, Into the Magic Shop photo book. So first store, Busan, Into the Magic Shop. Second store, Seoul. First store. I love these outfits. I think this is the concert series too, where they're wearing those outfits with the little tassels. Oh my god, Jin. Look at his little Dior necktie. They're drinking tea. That's why I love the Magic Shop series. It's just so cute. This is when they have the mirrors. You guys know from the Love Maze. Look at all the army bombs. It makes me think about tour. Tour would have been happening right now. Let me know if you guys have tickets to tour too and when you think it'll be coming back. You guys, do you know what outfit this is? This is when he sings Dimple and Pied Piper. Thumbs up if you know what I'm talking about. You guys, this is the iconic music video. You know when Tae looks into the camera? I'm so excited. I have a photo book for this. Oh my god, I have a photo card. I did not realize I'd be getting this now. And it's Jin. Wow, look at his hair. So this hair is from this exact era, because look. I did not expect to get him. Wow, look at him. Look at his shirt. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Okay, we'll put him here. We know this exact moment. This is when they sing the chorus for Dimple. Look at him, pointing to his dimple. This has to be my favorite on-stage performance. Okay, and then next we have Jin. There. And then we have the cool postcard. Jimin. It's my invitation. Love Maze, Idol. Wow, look at this. I love Best in Me. I really hope that they do that for Map the Soul tour, even though probably not, but I really, really love that song. Of course, the Magic Shop. I'm obsessed with the whole Magic Shop concept right now, so it's actually in my Twitter handle. Love that. So we have that. This is the DVD set. Let's see. Into the Magic Shop. Welcome to the Magic Shop. Any worries you'd like to share, any wish you'd like to make come true, the Magic Shop will be your guidance. Imagine a door leading to your minds. What you want the most stands behind that door. Just believe and your Magic Shop will come true. Are you ready? I'll show you. Into the Magic Shop. So it looks like a little invitation. This is so cool. Or a stand. Look at the little confetti. See the little confetti? I love that. So many fun gifts in here. So I think that's everything. Am I missing anything? So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. And I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Bye.